Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the post-USDA May data. I think in general you'd have to say that USDA pretty much came out with all the numbers the trade was looking for except for 21-22 corn carryout. They're probably a little bit too high in my opinion, and their export number is too low. But the numbers were basically for this year's corn carryout, 1257 versus 1352. And the trade was looking for 1275. They left the bean carryout at 120, solidifying their feeling that it can't go below 120. Now we did see soybeans trading sharply higher in the July this morning, and that's because the domestic basis here in the U.S. continues to trend higher, and crushers are willing to pay almost anything to source soybeans, and it feels like soybeans are going to get tight. For as far as new crop is concerned, basically the corn crop at 15 billion bushels and the bean crop at 14.4 billion bushels. Carry out for 21-22, corn 1507, the trade was looking for 1344. Beans 140 and the trade was looking for 138. And wheat 774, the trade was looking for 730. Globally, when we look at 21-22, wheat carry out around 295 million tons versus 295 this year. The trade was looking for 294. Corn, 292 million tons versus 283 this year. Trade was looking for 283. And beans, 91 million tons versus 86 this year. Trade was looking for 88. They look at for Chinese soybean imports next year at 103 million tons and corn at 26 million metric tons. The Brazil corn crop was 102 versus 103 expected and 109 last month. Beans 136, unchanged from last month. And all of the corn and soybean in Argentina numbers were 47 million tons, pretty much unchanged from last month. Winter wheat crop this year, 1282 million bushels versus the trade guess at 1256 and 1171 last year. Hard red winter wheat, 730. The trade was looking for 710. Last year we were at 659. Soft red winter wheat 331. Trade was looking for 311. Last year was 266. And white 230. Market was looking for 232. Last year was 246. So basically in corn and wheat we need to see some long liquidation because of the numbers not being friendly. But now we start trading U.S. weather. And I think that in the next couple of weeks U.S. weather looks good with warm temps and normal rain showers except for the northern plains. But then after that we'll have to see if any ridging develops in the western corn belt. Watching Pacific temperatures right now, they're warming, which reduces the chance of any ridging this summer. So again, you know, $16 beans, $7 corn, $7 wheat are high prices if we have normal weather. But we could obviously trade higher if the weather is less than normal. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.